This video explains about editors and browsers used in the process of web designing using HTML. HTML editor is a software application designed for editing and creating a HTML document. HTML document can be created and edited by using a professional HTML editors like Coffee Cup HTML editor, NetBeans, Notepad++, Visual Studio, and so on. For learning HTML, text editor like Notepad is recommended. Using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. To start Notepad, in Windows 7, open the Start menu, click All Programs, and open Accessories folder and right-click on the Notepad shortcut. To start Notepad in Windows 10, click the Start menu, scroll down to List of Applications, and open the Windows Accessories folder. Right-click on the Notepad shortcut. The Notepad editing page will be displayed. The user has to type the HTML code into the Notepad. After completing the typing of HTML document, select Save As in Notepad's file menu in order to save the Notepad file that you have created. When you save an HTML file, you can either use the .htm or the .html file extension to save the HTML document. After learning how to create HTML document using a Notepad, let us now learn what is the purpose of web browser. The purpose of a web browser is to read HTML documents and display them as web pages. The browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses the tags to determine how the content of the HTML page is to be displayed to the user. Several web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari, and UC browser are available. The user can choose any one of the web browser according to his interest and the need. The user can start the web browser and open the HTML document file created using the File Open menu, or just browse the folder and double-click the HTML document, then it will open it in the browser. The browser will convert the HTML document into a web page, and the web page will be displayed on the screen to the user. To summarize, HTML document can be created using an HTML editor. An HTML editor is a specialized piece of software that assists in the creation of HTML code similar to text editor such as Notepad. After creating a HTML document, the document can be opened in a browser so that it can be converted into a web page. The purpose of a web browser is to read the HTML document and display them as web pages to the user. Thank you.